Unraveling Backtrack. Enhance your English vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning fun and effective. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss: the term backtrack. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, understanding how to use this phrase correctly can really elevate your language skills. So, let's dive right in. The word backtrack is a verb, and it can be used in different contexts. Essentially, it means to go back over the ground you've already covered, either literally, like retracing your steps, or figuratively, like changing your opinion or decision about something. When used in the context of physical movement, backtrack refers to returning along the same path you've come. For example, we realized we had missed the turn, so we had to backtrack to find the correct route. After walking a few miles in the forest, they decided to backtrack to ensure they didn't get lost. Backtrack is also commonly used when someone changes their mind, opinion, or decision. This could be because they realized they were wrong, or because new information has come to light. Examples include: the politician had to backtrack on his previous statement due to public outcry. After further discussion, she decided to backtrack on her initial idea. To help you better understand how to use backtrack, let's look at a few more example sentences. I've looked everywhere for my keys, and now I need to backtrack my steps to see if I can find them. He was not afraid to backtrack when he realized his solution was not working. And that's it for today's lesson on the word backtrack. Remember, it's all about retracing steps or changing an opinion or decision. We hope this video has clarified how to use this term and that you feel more confident integrating it into your everyday English. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.